Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. I've got Great Lakes Lacquer, Nashville Nights, Kathleen & Co., Coat of Many Colors, and Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10, Happy Nails. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and Great Lakes Lacquer, Nashville Nights is stunning. The camera's just crazy with it. And then Kathleen & Co., Coat of Many Colors. Oh, these are just... Okay, if I had to pick one of the two, I couldn't do it. I love both of them so much. So here we go with our first coat. And this is Nashville Nights. I gotta get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta clean up my mess. There we go. And then now for Coat of Many Colors. And this one's more jelly than I thought it was going to be, but we're going to make this work. You know, it's hard to tell sometimes when they're in the bottle. Going to cap that free edge there. And here we go for our second coat. Okay, this one is so... Oh, I wish the camera would show y'all. It's so pretty, and it like flashes that teal that's just crazy. And then the flakies and Coat of Many Colors just knocks my socks off. I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door, because we are going to be playing with some stamping today. There we go. I got to get that little free edge. Not much of it there, but that's okay. And I'm going to do another top coat of this one too. Going to put some top coat on that. Come on. There we go. Y'all had to pull that skin back a little bit to get that free edge coated. And there they are on their own. Here we go with Cheeky Happy Nails. And this is Jumbo Plate 10. This thing's massive. And then we've got Bases Loaded Lacquer and the black. And we've got the Kathleen & Co. out again. We're going to use it. I've got my H. La Cosadora scraper and my 2 Conad stampers out today. We're just going to put that polish on there and scrape and then pick it up. And there we go. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this little design. I'm going to clean that plate off with pure acetone. And we're going to go at this one more time. Just going to make a couple of decals. And that's, you know. So I need to go ahead and just pull them now and do them together. Oh, yes. And now you can see that image quite well. What I'm doing is I'm putting that Coat of Many Colors kind of in the center of these orbs or ovals, circly ovals. I don't know what to call them. But I really like this, and I don't know what drew me to it, but I thought I could just see that, and putting that Coat of Many Colors in the center of it almost gives it a little bit of an opal kind of look to it. And there we go. Oh, I love this. Look how pretty it looks on the stamper. Very nice. I am going to be using some Super Dry as my tacky layer to get my decals to stick. So I'm just swiping like a little bit on the nail. And I am so sorry I'm out of frame. But by the time I realized it, we were so far into this that there was no fixing it. And now I'm going to be like way out of frame. But just know that that's what I'm doing. I am applying them to the nails. Oh, there we go. Got a bunch of hang-offs, so we're going to clean that up. And I'm just going to use the acetone today. And what I did was kind of like held it on top for just a second or two and then did my swipe. Wait to see me do it again because I still got some more to clean up. Kind of, you know. Got to get that gunk off there. And I've got a little more nail polish remover on than I normally use. Normally I do a lot of dabbing, but I kind of wanted it to penetrate that real well and get it up off of my skin. And I got to go in for the undercarriage cleaning. And it is quite the mess. But, you know, it's okay. That's why we have these tools. These cleanup brushes and acetone and that sort of thing. There we go. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat, just the ones that I did the decals on. And we're going to do that because this side of the decal didn't have anything on it, so I didn't want to smear it. And once that's dry, I'll be applying the Sèche Vite. Love, love how glossy it looks. And we're going to put the Sèche Vite on all of the nails. That's just the way I do that. And, you know, I like that thickness on the nail. I just have always preferred a good, nice, thick layer. I mean, I don't want it like bulky and misshapen looking. I don't want it like that. But I do want a nice, good layer of the polishes on my nails. That way they can be protected when I bang them around or I'm, you know, doing domestic duties. You know what I'm saying? Capping my free edge there. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching.